Hello, and welcome back to Spy Trader, the podcast that tracks the heartbeat of the S&P 500 and guides you through the latest developments in the markets. I'm your host, Buck Wallet, a name so rich in humor it might just increase in value. It's 6 p.m. on August 31st, 2024, and let's dive right into today's headlines making waves in the S&P 500. First up, General Motors, GM, has been in the news with mixed signals. While the stock seems to be stuck in neutral, according to analyst Brad Ganesan, it's not all headlights and tailpipes. Despite fierce competition in the EV market, GM's aggressive stock buyback strategy has boosted their earnings per share by 60% in recent quarters. Their first-time EV buyer rates are at a staggering 54%, and don't forget their moonshot cruise with autonomous vehicles. Next up, Supermicro, SMCI, has faced the wrath of short seller Hindenburg Research, leading to stock volatility and bearish analyst sentiment. Wells Fargo slashed its price target, but JP Morgan remains optimistic, maintaining an overweight rating. Despite corporate governance woes, SMCI's exposure to the booming $275 billion AI server market might still make it a tech bet worth considering. On a lighter note, we've got some interesting insights into passive income opportunities popularized by YouTuber Ali Abdaal, who claims to make nearly $30,000 weekly. Whether it's stocks starting a podcast, like yours truly, or affiliate marketing is becoming a key consideration for financial independence. Let's talk ETFs. The ETF market has ballooned to $7.1 trillion since the pandemic. With cost-effective fees and diverse, transparent holdings, ETFs have become must-haves for any serious investor's portfolio. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of investing: affordable, versatile, and highly effective. On the political front, there's a buzz about a potential unrealized capital gains tax floating around. Larry Adam from Raymond James is skeptical about it passing, given the complexities of assessing illiquid assets. But remember, any serious tax talk can make the market jittery, so stay sharp. Now let's move on to how these developments affect your investment decisions. 1. General Motors, GM. The undervaluation and strong buyback commitment suggest a promising long-term play. Consider adding GM to your portfolio, especially if you're optimistic about a balanced approach to EVs and autonomous vehicles. 2. Supermicro, SMCI. Despite recent headwinds, the potential in the AI server market could be too lucrative to ignore. A cautious buy could tap into medium-term gains, but brace for volatility. 3. ETFs. Their growth and cost-effectiveness make them attractive. Use ETFs to diversify efficiently and consider those that offer broad market exposure to hedge against individual stock risks. 4. Market sentiment. The chatter around potential tax changes and the upcoming elections will likely inject volatility. Keep an eye on political developments to anticipate market movements. 5. Consumer companies. Retail stocks like Dollar General, which recently dropped 32%, could potentially rebound if consumer confidence shifts. Yet, be wary. Focus on solid companies with strong fundamentals and adaptive strategies. Finally, a little lighthearted joke for you. What did the financier say to his money before going to sleep? Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bears bite. That's all for this episode of Spy Trader. Join me, Buck Wallet, next time for more insights, recommendations, and a few laughs along the way. Stay invested and stay savvy.